Hi, welcome to the Right Girls channel. My daughter has been telling me over and over that she's really stressed. So stressed. How stressed are you?
I don't know.
Are you stressed?
I guess.
Are you so stressed?
I guess.
I got you this.
Oh my gosh! Let me see.
She's been telling me she needs one of these and I don't know why. I don't get it.
I'll tell you in the comments.
Okay, what is this thing anyways? What does it do?
It's rainbow. Well, I got the rainbow one. There's different colors, like solid colors. There's gold. There's like silver shiny ones. And then there's like metallic kind of rainbows.
Well, I thought this one was really pretty. Okay, so how does it relieve stress?
Well, so you just watch the spinning, and every time you watch it, you just get more and more focused.
You're getting sleepy.
Kind of.
They can't see it. You have to show them.
So like it's like this.
You're
That's super slow.
You're getting sleepier. And now you will do everything we said.
You can also do tricks like this.
Okay. Oh, that was a trick? I don't know if that was a trick. I don't know if that was exactly a trick.
I don't know how to work this.
I think this would, if this were mine, it would stress me out more. This would stress me out more. I think this would. Because I would keep dropping it like that. Okay, show me your trick.
Okay, so you take it like this.
There's it. Oh.
And then you put your finger and go spin. Then you put your hand like this.
Ooh, okay. All right, that was kind of a trick.
Hey.
What?
It's because it was like this, like this, like an L, and it went like that.
Okay, show me something else. So you weave it back and forth. What do you do?
Okay, so you just do this, and then your hands go like this.
So it looks like a spaceship?
Kind of. The UFO kind of. It's called the UFO.
That's called, there's an, okay.
Hey!
This is like the easiest yo-yo in the world.
It's not a yo-yo.
Well, yo-yos were tough. This is ridiculous. Okay.
So you can start it and stop it.
All right, let me try. Ooh.
You're not that good at it.
Oh, okay, that is kind of hard.
So this is how you start it.
So this is a fidget spinner.
Okay.
So this is a fidget spinner.
Hey! Okay, so stop it! Oh yeah, by the way, I got red hair.
Yeah, she did.
My mom did it.
I did. That's really pretty. Nobody can see you or your hair or your fidget spinner. Fidget spinner. Ooh.
Okay, so this is how you start it. You just put your finger right there.
All right, show me. Ooh.
Okay.
Somebody needs to brush their teeth.
Hey!
Okay, fidget spinner again.
So it's like this.
It's so pretty.
And then you spin it with your finger. This is how you start it. You just put your finger like this.
Yeah, that's working.
And then you go stop, like to stop it.
Uh-huh.
And then you could.
Wow, that is fascinating. Hey, wait, I have an idea.
She's so bad at this.
Look deep into the fidget spinner. You're getting sleepy. You will do the dishes and clean up after the cats and clean your room every day and make my bed.
Nope.
It's not working.
Okay, fine.
I'm still stressed because I'm the only one. Oh, because I'm the only one that does housekeeping.
Do it again. Do it again.
Look deep into the fidget spinner. Oh, you will do dishes and clean the kitty litter box and clean my room and color coordinate my sock drawer. And that's how she sounds, exactly how she sounds.
You want me to like
Fidget spin me? You can't hurt me with that. Ouch! Oh, I'm decapitated. That actually did kind of hurt. Right. Goof. I gave you chocolate earlier and I don't think I should have.
Hey!
And sugar.
Yeah, let's fill
Fidget spinner.
Guys, so today on the Right Girls channel, it is the Fidget Spinner! Sorry, my voice
Da,
is
da,
just...
da, 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 da.
Okay.
There's an
So-
annoying video. So,
Wait, it's supposed to be on. Hello, guys. So I have my mama
I'm
here
here.
today.
Yay.
So
So excited.
see this?
Whoa. No kidding. Okay, that was pretty cool.
If you want to see how to do that, like, subscribe, and link down below.
Oh.
Oh,
She broke her fidget spinner.
stop it!
She broke it.
Shut up.
She broke it. Cut. Cut. It's
You
broke.
guys want to know how to do?
Cut. Oh man.
Do you guys want to know how to do this trick?
Wow.
Like, subscribe, and comment that you want to do the trick. And maybe
I want to do the trick. I totally want to do the trick. I want to do the trick. Show me the trick.
Okay, then maybe I will make another video.
I want to know how to do the trick now. Okay, bye.
Show me the trick.
Show me the trick. Show me
Yeah.
the... That's so cool.
You can also do this.
Nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put your comments down below.
Down below.
We're the right girls. Good
And by
night.
the way, I dyed my hair.
You're scaring me.
Hello, welcome to the dark side.
I think it's time for bed. It's time for bed. It's way past bedtime. It's time for bed. Good night.
8:30.
Good night. Oh,
Hello, this is Zoe, and just to let you know, I am in a car. So anyway, you see this? It's a fidget spinner, and it's a rainbow fidget spinner. And this is how you do it. You go like this, and you put it up, and then you